we'll look at the shortcut keys inside the Photoshop. So first, once we see this image has to be duplicated. For example, we have only one background layer, so we should not work on a background layer always. We need to make a duplicate copy of a background layer. So just press on Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Once it's duplicated, the image looks slightly darker. To brighten it, you can use levels or curves. For example, if you want to use levels, the shortcut is Ctrl L. For levels, you can just move the mid-tone slider and shadow slider, and you can increase the brightness. Or else you can also play with curves. The shortcut for curves is Ctrl M. Once you press Ctrl M, the curve panel will open up and you can just lift the curve up so that your image will become brightened. If you want to play with the hue and saturation, just press Ctrl U. Once you press Ctrl U, the U channel will open up. If you want to increase the saturation, you can increase it or decrease it. Since your photograph is having slight yellow tint on it, so it means the white balance is wrong. If you want to correct the white balance, the shortcut key is Ctrl B. Once you press Ctrl B, the color balance palette will open up. Since we have yellow tint on this photograph, you should move the slider towards the blue side so that the yellow will get reduced. If you want to invert the selection, just press Ctrl I to invert the selection. If you want to check the file size, just press Ctrl Alt I so that you can check the photo size. This is a quick introduction towards the shortcut keys.